Hello, my name is Brian Ray, and this is the first tutorial in a series of tutorials on how to use DirextX. DirextX is written in a Windows application, so you have to create it in Win applications and create a Win main. Before you want to create a Win main, you want to add an include statement of a Windows.h, which includes the basic functions of a Windows application. And then you want to create the Win main, which I have here. So I have the header, and then I have the Win main. And inside the Win main, we're going to create a message box that's just going to say hello world. And we're going to hit OK, and it's going to close. Now, as you see, my first line in my Win main is WinApp API. This is an old Fortran Pascal thing where it takes from, instead of reading the arguments and the parameters from left to right, it reads it from right to left. We have our Win main, and in our Win main, we have 4 arguments. The easy way to figure out how many arguments you have, you count the commas and add 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 commas plus 1 is 4. So we have 4 arguments in our parameters. Our first parameter is basically an ID, like if there's multiple windows that are open on our computer, that our computer needs the ID, so it randomly puts a number here. The second one is a space in memory where they store this ID number. The third argument is pretty much like the executable, like if this was called demo.exe, this is where you get that from. The fourth is pretty much what kind, show what kind of window it is, display it. And now that you have our Win main, you would put your brackets, and once the brackets are made, like so, you want to see what's inside the bracket. I pre-wrote the code for our message box, which right here we're going to call message box. That's going to print out hello world. It has 4 arguments. Like I said, 1, 2, 3 commas plus 1 is 4. So it's 4 arguments in this parameter. The first argument is we just nilled, and all it does is handles the window. The second argument is what we're going to display inside our Windows message box, which is hello world. The third argument is what's going to be displayed in our toolbar. And I just said just another hello world program. And the fourth argument is what kind of message, what kind of like symbol would you want to be displayed, like an error message or some kind of warning message inside of it. And then also what type of message box. Like for this instance, this one right here will show that it's going to be a triangle exclamation that goes like a warning type, and it's just going to be an OK cancel. We're going to hit Control F5, and there you go. Here's our message box. We have hello world, which is displayed inside our message box. Just another hello world program, which is displayed in our title box. And then right here, this command right here controls the exclamation triangle, and we have an OK cancel box. We can change this. That's why I put this here so you can play with it. you know, see what kind of message boxes you can create it. So you can do this on your own. But I guess I can do one for you. Like we'll change this, go here, copy, make this instead of OK cancel, we just make it OK box. And this one right here, we make this like we make that one like I believe this one should be what is this one? This one should be like a circle and an X. Control F5. Yes. Ah, look at there. You got a circle and an X. We got from that right there. And it's just the OK box. Like we changed that right there. So these are different ones. You can change it. If you want to know what this is a bitwise. This is an OR. Basically, bits are ones and zeros, and ones being true, zero being false. Anything that's ORed with a true results to a true. So if you have a false and a true ORed with a true, the result will be true. Or one ORed with zero will equal true, or true ORed with false is true. So you know that's a little side note. But that's what that is. You know, this is a bitwise. But I left all this here. You never know in your game. You might want a message box pop up somewhere and you want to know the different kinds. And here they are. Well, I hope this was useful. In the next tutorial, I will add more to this application. But right now, I just wanted to create a basic Hello World application to kick things off. I hope this was useful. I hope you learned something, and happy gaming.